The afternoon sun warmed the playground as Bluey dashed in with her tail wagging, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Bingo followed close, carrying a skipping rope, while Coco, Snickers, and Winton were already waiting, eager for a day of endless fun. "Let's play Adventure Rescue," Bluey shouted with energy. Bingo clapped. "Yes, I'll drive the Jeep," pretending to steer as she made loud vroom noises. Coco grabbed a stick, declaring, "This is my magic rope," her imagination buzzing. Snickers puffed happily, "I'll be the doctor," while Winton announced, "And I shall be the hero." Bluey pointed at the slide dramatically, "Look, our friend is trapped." The pups gasped, then charged together, running like a true team. They pulled, pushed, and shouted commands, finally rescuing a teddy bear placed on the top by Muffin, who giggled at her trickery. 5 seconds later Coco cried, "Emergency, the bridge is falling," pointing at the balance beam. Everyone rushed over, holding it steady with their paws, pretending to save invisible travelers. Snickers called, "I need more helpers," while Bingo brought leaves as pretend tools. The teamwork filled the air with laughter and loud cheers. 10 seconds later Bluey declared, "One last mission, the treasure is hidden in the jungle." The pups crawled through the bushes, barking with glee, until Winton found a shiny ball. "Treasure secured," he shouted, holding it high. The group burst into celebration, dancing and clapping, their hearts pounding with pure happiness. At last the sun began to set, painting the sky orange. The pups lay in the grass, breathing hard but smiling wide. Bluey sighed, "Friends make everything better," her voice soft but full of joyful pride. Coco nodded, "Best adventure ever," while Bingo whispered, "Can't wait for tomorrow." Bluey looked to the camera, her grin glowing. If our fun with friends made you smile, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more amazing adventure.